All right, let's take a start. Who is your favorite pop star or who is your favorite singer?
Atif Aslam is my favorite singer
Why?
because he's one of the most personable songs on YouTube, and I listen to him because he have a very melodious voice, I can say. So whenever I have to relax or I have to go somewhere, I listen to his songs.
Okay. Do you want to become a pop star?
No, I want to become a cybersecurity expert or a boxer
Why?
because I'm a student of cybersecurity in LGU, and I was very fond of computers in my childhood. So I love to code, or I love to do penetration testing. That's why I want to become a cybersecurity specialist.
Okay. Do you like to go to the concerts?
No, I hate crowded places because there's always so much noise. I'm not a social person. I hate being with people around me. So there's a lot of noise for me. I hate noisy places.
All right. Do you prefer live music or recorded music?
Recorded music
Why?
because uh, because I can listen it to many times. If it's a live music, I will be listening it for only live, right? If it's recorded, I can listen to whenever I want.
How often do you listen to music during the day?
Uh, when I have to go to university, I just put on my music and just go over there. So I will say frequently.
Okay,
Listen music.
good. Overall, your English is good, but
you,
your
sir.
answers are short. Okay, so try to add on some more sentences to your answer, and then it's going to be good.
Music is not my thing.
I understand, but in IELTS exam, you will get a lot of things which are not your things. So you have to tackle those
Okay, sir.
questions. Okay,
Okay, thank
you
you,
can
sir.
just give what do you say? A planned, or you can give just we call it pretending.
Pretending.
Even if you don't like music, you say, I love music very much, like that.
Just to lie about something.
Exactly. Go on and give a beautiful answer to the question.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Right?